Hello, this is Gabe from Steele Hyundai Fredericton. In this video I am going to show you how to disable the speed limit of your Hyundai vehicle with the ccNC operating system. Specifically, I am in a 2026 Hyundai Tucson Ultimate Hybrid, and I am going to show you how to disable this feature. So is this one that show you when you exceed the speed limit, right? How you do that, because for some customers it's annoying. So in the infotainment screen, clicking this setup button, and then go to vehicle, and then go to driver assistance, and then go to speed limit, and then here you see some options. Clicking off, and when you doing off, when you go to the cluster, the speed limit warning disappear. And that is how you disable. All right, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know. Have a great day.